This is from section 2.2 homework, question 3. It's about a famous football star known as Ricky Williams that had a kind of terrible downturn of a career. So, what we know, Ricky Williams' rushing yards per year steadily decreased in a somewhat linear fashion. What they've given us. In 2002, he completed 1853 rushing yards, but in 2007, he only completed 15. So we've been asked to create a linear model based on that information. We've also kind of, as in a specific way, R is to be the number of rushing yards in the year that T years since 2000. Okay, based on our data over here, we need to translate it into coordinates, or ordered pairs, if you will. So the 1853 yards in 2002 becomes 2 because it's years since 2000, so it's 2002 is only 2 years. And then the same format we do for the other one. In 2007 he completed 15 yards, only 15 yards, so that's what our ordered pair becomes. Okay, so we have our ordered pairs. I've erased the board to give myself some more room. So let me continue. So let me rewrite the ordered pairs as they should look. 2 for 2002, and he completed only 1853 rushing yards. And then in 2007, so 7, and has only completed 15 yards. We have to convert this into slope. How do we do that? We do that y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we continue over here. So y2 is this one, y1 would be this one, so we'll do 15 minus 1853. And then let's see, that's 7 is the second x and 2 is the first x, so 7 minus 2. What does that become? I wrote it down. Let's take a look. So that looks a lot like, I'll switch back over here, I keep flipping sides, negative 1838 over 5. Okay, so this is the slope we found. When you actually divide this to get your slope, it turns out to become what? Negative 367.6. Now what do we do with the slope? Well, we have to create this. The slope-intercept form. We know this. We have this. And we have this. Therefore, we plug all those in to find this. So, what do we do with that? We know I've left a point up here, so we can just plug it into our formula. The x goes here, so that'll be 7. If I'm hopefully not out of frame. Equals y, and y would be 15. And then for our mystery number, it belongs here. So, order of operations, we start off with 7 times negative 36, 7.6. That gives us approximately 2573.2 plus e. And then we still have our magic 15 over here. Then we simply add, because we have a negative here, 2572.2, and we do the same thing over here. That looks a lot like, when we're done, 2588.2 equals e. Okay, so now we have found our slope, we have found our y-intercept, we simply just plug it and play. Y equals mx plus b. We know this, these are our variables here and here. So So, simply plug in and find 1 equals negative 36.7.6 plus our magic number y on the b rather, 2588.2. And that is how you solve number 3 from section 2.2.